Hello and welcome to this video on how to enable a user mailbox in Microsoft Exchange by assigning a license, and we will walk you through the steps using Microsoft 365 Admin Center, ensuring you are equipped to handle mailbox management effectively. So first you need to switch to the Windows 11 machine where we have already opened the Admin Centers, and here, once you log in to the admin.microsoft.com, you need to provide the credentials, and that is the necessary step. And once you log in to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, click to the user, and here let's click to the active user. And first, you need to create the user because you can see that we have already created few users and we have showed these steps frequently in the previous videos, so I'm not going to repeat that how to create the user in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So by skipping these steps, I'm just going to select one user, and because here we have to discuss something related to the license of the exchange, so here you can see that we have so many users, but the few of these users have the licenses. So we have this Jobskillshare user that have the Enterprise Mobility E5 and the Microsoft Entra IDP 2. Why I am discussing the license right now? Because in this specific current video, we're going to do something with the Exchange Admin Center, and we can do these sort of steps and configuration on the specific user that have the Exchange license. So first we need to figure out that which user have that appropriate license that contain the Exchange product. So we are just having few users who have these licenses, but whether these licenses contain the Exchange product, that we are going to see in this video. So this JSS test user 2, the user that we are using in all these Exchange videos, has also Enterprise Mobility plus Security E5, and rest of the users are unlicensed. So let's explore some licenses stuff and see that which specific license contain the Exchange product, and then we will show you how this works and why we need these licenses on the Exchange environment. So let's explore some license stuff. So to explore the license stuff regarding the Microsoft 365, you just type this text on the Google and it will suggest you the first option, compare Office 365 license. So log on to this page, and here you can see that it provides the license stuff with the different tabs. So first it starts with the Microsoft 365. So let's click here, and to see which Microsoft 365 license contain the Exchange product. So here you can see the Microsoft 365 E3. So does it contain? Yeah, it contains the Exchange, and all three licenses at the moment contain the Exchange. In the same way, if we explore the Office 365 license, so here you can see that this first one, Microsoft Office 365 apps for enterprise, does not contain the Exchange product, but this this other one, Office 365 E1, also don't have. Okay, no, it has the Exchange product available, and then you have the Office 365 E3 and E5, both contain the Exchange product. So now we determine that which specific license contain the Exchange product, and we are going to see and verify that which of this license are currently available in our license stack. So let's switch back to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and here we have already discussed this thing in the previous video that to view the license you need to go to the billing, and then you have this license section. Click to the license section, and here if you scroll down, so you will see all the current licenses that you have bought and purchased in your subscription. So currently we have this communication credit, enterprise mobility plus security E5 that does not contain the Exchange product. In the same way, Microsoft Entra ID, this is specifically for the identity, Then you have this Office 365 E5. So here we have already reviewed this, that Office 365 E5 contained the Exchange product. So let's switch back to the license tab, and here we have one license available. So now the things are pretty much easier from this point, that all we need to do is to assign that license to that user, and then we will see whether we are getting the mailbox of that user on the exchange. But before that, let me show you that we are not getting any, whether we are getting any user mailbox on the exchange environment or not. So let's click to the Exchange Admin Center, and when you click to the mailboxes, so you will see that this one we have created in the previous video, the shared mailbox, but we are not getting any user mailbox. Why? Because there is no exchange license being distributed within the users. When you distribute, when you assign any single license to any user, then you will start getting the user entry, user mentioning here under these manage mailboxes. So let's go back to the active user and let's select any user. So yeah, this one is good because we are logged in with this user account, and just click to the user. These are the simple steps. Then click to the licenses and app section, and here you can see we have one license available for Office 365 E5. So let's make a check and select to assign that license to this user, and it will take necessary time to save these changes, and the changes have been saved and the license has been assigned. So let's click to save again just for the safe side, and then click close and click to the refresh, and definitely it will take time to provide the user mailbox here under the manage mailboxes. Now here we are logged into the Exchange Admin Center, and there we're going to click to the mailbox again to verify, and there you go. Now we are getting this JSS test user mailbox under the manage mailboxes. Why? Because we have just assigned the exchange license to that specific user, and it enables us to manage and customize the JSS test user mailbox. Well, by following these steps, you can effectively and efficiently handle the mailbox provisioning and maintenance within your organization.